Hey guys, I wanted to jump on here and give you a little information on things you can change. It's a new year, so we want to prepare. We want to give you a jump start on any issues that you have had over the year and never got any consultations, or you playing a guessing game, you're Googling, you're doing a bunch of things. So I wanted to drop a few things. First, that's in my free ebook. So my ebook is a few chapters of little highlights of life-changing, I don't know what you want, life-changing, nutritional, physically, stress, all of those things. So the life changes that we go through, women, also men, but more with the women. We're in a menopausal, menopause, post, about to, however, it's over. It's so many different stages of it, aka hormones. Off the chain, however, you hot, you cold, you like it, you don't. It's those symptoms that we wind up encountering during the day. Believe it or not, a lot of what you feel, it tends to come from the foods that we ingest. It tends to come from the stress in our life. It tends to come from so many different factors of the maintaining of a even kill. Like, it's so important to stay nutritionally balanced, to stay physically active, to stay mentally clear, get your prayers in, all of that. Like, it all comes together and it works together to kind of keep everything at bay. So if you haven't heard of my ebook, it should be in the bio. Now I'm going to place it in there. I'll place it in there. But I've been giving away this ebook for free for years. So if you don't have one, shame on you. But I never dove into what's inside. I just gave it away, and I hope you will read it. But some do, some don't. Well, I'm going to take this little clip. This little chapter. It's not a movie yet. But I'm going to take this little chapter of what I put together, just my studying over the years, taking a lot of what a lot of my clients, what they have said and experienced, scientifically things I've read, my research, all of these things coming together and putting everything together and aligning it with what God has said for us to do, because He gave us a lot of the herbs, the foods, everything that grows from the ground. He gave us that. Not only that, but He allowed for us to heal automatically. Like, we don't self-heal. It's just a matter of what we do to allow for the healing to begin. All right. But in chapter 1, is the common cause of hair loss. While looking behind for the reasons for hair loss, you will find a long list of causes that could lead to hair fall. The thing that has to be looked at in your hormonal status, it will help determine if abnormal levels are affecting your hair and scalp. That is because the main culprit of more extreme and acute hair loss include hormone-related conditions such as the PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, and thyroid imbalance. A lot of women are dealing with that. A lot of it has to do with the insulin and the resistance of it and being able to absorb and balance out. It takes a lot of hard work, to help balance that and stabilize that in you. There is also an autoimmune related condition known as alopecia areata, which causes round bald patches. We've seen it. Some have it. Some go from just a small spot in the crown and expands to a center part. A lot of it is wider. It's wider, leading to the area here. And some that do have alopecia areata, you get behind the ears in various patches. It might be there 1 month and then it grows back. And it does that because of the round patches due to the hair density remain intact. In this case, the lymphocytes type of white blood cells are under an impression that your hair follicles are bad. So they attack them, throwing them in a state of resting because of the inflammation they caused. And then there's also hormonal fluctuations such as hormonal birth control, recent pregnancies, and even stress. So those are a lot of what we wind up dealing with when we are dealing with this hormonal imbalance, things that we ingest, life changes, all of these things that come about just with aging and in time. So we can't lax on a lot of the things that exercise, eating vegetables, is fruits, everything that's pertaining to eating more of what God has given us, what God has kissed with the sun as the rain comes to water. So it's so much that we need to focus on. The processed foods, absolutely not. That's something, because it has so many other chemicals that we cannot pronounce at all. So you want to make sure that you are definitely encouraging not only yourself, but we want to teach that to our family. So encourage your children that everything doesn't need to go in the microwave. It does not have to be from the freezer to the microwave to your mouth. That's a lot of preservative. It's a lot. And it's creating an atmosphere that is going to give them a routine, a false routine of, I know you lying. Come. A false routine of what that looks like when it's time to be healthy. Killer. The neighbor's dogs is going crazy. And this one here. No. I'm busy. Hush now. You see this? Hush. We telling the people some good stuff. Don't do that. Don't do that. Shh. Okay. No. My mink scarf. You stay there, okay? There you go. Hush. Hush. So, I wanted to let you know. I want to try to give y'all a lot more information. I have a lot of people from different areas. Shh, mama. A lot of different areas that I'm Zooming with. I'm trying to give them consultations. And it's kind of, shh, mama. I'm trying to give them consultations so that they kind of can make changes on their own. And I think this would be a easier way for them to kind of get knowledge, for anyone to come get knowledge, rather than rather than trying to do Zoom calls. and evaluate from there. I want you guys to make changes. I want you guys to wind up just when you go in the grocery store making changes on various things. So I'm gonna go over a lot of different highlights as though you were in my consultation, and it will help you. I know it will. But the main thing we're going to focus on is your hormones and how to balance them out. I want you to really pay attention to your carbohydrates. Everything pertaining to is going to be your breads, your starches, rice, potatoes, those things that it winds up raising your blood sugar level. When you do have that, along with the inflammatory foods, your oils, your vegetable oils, your canola oils, that's a no-no. Do not, no. We want to make sure that we are doing coconut, avocado, and extra virgin olive oil. We want to make sure we're on the anti-inflammatory. So those are the things that we kind of got to watch out for. And that's going to help keep your hormones at bay. We want to white sugar? No. Your cakes and pies? No. First starting out, if you want to make this change, I really would suggest trying vegan restaurants. And I'm not talking fast food vegan. I'm really talking your lentils, your chickpeas, various things, your mushrooms, those types of things. So you're able to get your protein. You're able to get your good, what is yours. There's some carbs in those beans and the lentils, but they're good for you. And you want to have that more so than anything like the mashed potatoes, the rice, those types of things, because those are the things that winds up really messing with your hormones and triggers you very, very quickly. You could be doing great, and then all of a sudden a slice of pizza, all of a sudden some bread from a restaurant, all of a sudden some fried rice, and now you got hot flashes, or you're not sleeping, you're restless, those types of things. So you want to make sure that you are ingesting more fruits, your vegetables, and your proteins. You're going to need your proteins. We want to keep our muscle mass. We want to keep our muscle mass as we age. We want to make sure our bones are strong. We want to make sure we are doing our fine, our due diligence when it comes down to aging. We want to age gracefully. So keep that in mind. And those things, if you are dealing with those names that I mentioned that's going to affect your hormones, then by all means, pick up the ebook. It's free, and you'll get a little bit more insight on that, and it'll bless your life. So for now, that's it. And I just wanted to give you just a snippet of what the book has in it. And like I said, I've been giving it away free for years, and I know it has touched some lives. I do pray that it has changed some people's journey for what they do ingest, and also how they exercise. And keep God first, and He will do the rest. He will make sure you have the strength. You are putting in the work, and He will help you along. It'll be all right as we age, and how we are dealing with prescription medications and various things. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. Yeah, I'm a 70s baby. So I'm speaking on things that I do know, and I try to follow those things as well. All right. So thank you. And I'm Charm Amour, your hair restorer. And until next time.